Hi, I'm Tyler Scooter, and I'm going to show you how to take apart and clean a gun. First, you got to close it. You got to disassemble. There we go. Take it apart. Where'd my spray go? Here it is. So next, you have your oil spray. You gotta spray it down the barrel, and then grab your handy dandy gun snake, which mine's all tangled up, and you gotta drop it down through the barrel. Till it comes out this end. And throw it on that side, pull it on through. Congratulations, you got one barrel done. Let's do the next barrel. Drop her down in there. And pull it on through. Alright, next, you gotta clean right here. Gotta clean that part. So, spray it just a little bit, not too much. You gotta wipe it gently with a towel. Now you're supposed to clean your gun every time after you shoot it, just so it won't have surface rust and that kind of thing. It'll make it shoot longer and keep it clean. Looks clean to me. All right. So that's the basics of cleaning a gun. Now you got to put it back together. Got to make sure you clip it right there. Don't want to scratch the paint. Snap her back in place. Make sure that's flush right there. Just squeeze. Now you're ready to go shooting.